In this episode, we will be checking out a game shop. Well, you kinda call it an arcade. And this arcade is located in Mandeville Town, Jamaica. Yes, Jamaica. Good things there in Jamaica too, in a Mandeville Town. Welcome to Good Food and Tours Jamaica, and we're touring today in the town of Mandeville, where we're gonna try out this. Is it a game shop? It's called Arcade Entertainment. The actual name of this place is Token Escape Arcade, and it's located on Linklard Plaza, uptown on Wesley Road. So come make we check it out now. Come with me, man. So boom, we walked all the way upstairs, and then you have to go through this buzzer automated door, fancy. And then you speak to somebody at the front, you pay for entry. Alright, how the entry fee go now? $500 for adults and $300 for a child. Not bad, not you? And my daughter just bust around the corner, so she couldn't even wait on me. I have to grab her off because we didn't collect the tokens as yet. So how she go ride? She couldn't wait. She just exploded with joy and run away from me. So I went and collected the tokens at the front that you're supposed to collect when you enter. It's time to have fun. It's time to explore. Of course, you know who's going to take the lead. My daughter. And she couldn't wait for ride the pony. You know how much cartoons she has watched, and they always like riding the pony or the horse. So of course this is what she jumped on. Now the attendants were really nice and friendly, and boy, them no ramping up. You see, as soon as they saw that the child wants to go on a game, they just say coins. They just say token. They get your tokens going. They don't itch. My daughter, as soon as she finishes one, she jumps onto the next one. My husband decided to join her on this one because this one is like a 2-player. I love this one. The only thing I didn't like was the zombies, but you're basically trying to kill the zombies with the water gun, and it sprayed out real water. I think that was really good. Anyway, on to our next one. This one is actually for me now. This was fun. I've always wanted to sit on the bike back. Well, sit on a bike. Whoa, sit down on the bike back. I joke. Where did that come from? This was actually fun. It took a little while to get used to understand the controls. But once you got the hang of it, then it became better to control or to ride. And by the time you get used to it, it done. Now it's my husband's turn, and he tried out this car racing game, and then it's like they put this seatbelt across him, so we're like, what is that for? And that's when we see this whole thing just dip so, and it just start rock so, and it just start move so, and I was like, oh, that is why you have to put on the seatbelt. My other daughter, who was sleeping, woke up, and then two of them got to drive around on the train. It was so cute and adorable. And then it was on to another one. This was like what the mole, The attendant was helping my youngest daughter to manage it, and then my older daughter took over, and she was such a pro, and she really loved this. So like, if you have a little baby or a child, this is a great game for them to play. Okay, let's walk around and look at all of the games they provide. Let's do this. So we have reached the end of another amazing video, and I'd like to leave you with a Bible verse. Proverbs 3 verse 5 to 6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and do not lean on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge him, and he will straight your path or direct your path. Wow. This Bible verse is really motivating for us to just trust on the Lord with all of our heart, and to really just let go and let God guide and lead us. And me not tell a lie, sometimes it's hard, because boy, when the mind ready to tell you where go so and what to do. But what can you do when you're a Christian but just trust God? He created me and you, so he must has a greater purpose for our life. He's going to take care of us, and we have to believe in that. Well, I'm trying to believe in that. Are you? Yep. So everybody, please like, subscribe, and comment. Please like the video, because the more you like the video, it is the more YouTube will send it out. Come on, I don't see those likes being pressed. Like. Take care, have a wonderful week, and stay tuned for more exciting videos. One love.